Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a video from an image. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website of the Artflow. So simply we have to go to the website of the Artflow, and after going to the website, we need to go to this option which is called Video Studio. So let's click on the Video Studio, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's an option for the create a new video from scratch. That means you have to upload your own image. So I'm going to click on this. Let's click on it. So as you can see, after clicking on this scratch, now the new window is open. Now simply what we have to do, if you want to choose the image from here, you can also do that. So simply if you want to upload your own image from the computer, you can also do that. You have to click on this option. And after clicking on this option, you have to upload your own image from the computer. You can also do this. So let's go to the video studio back, and we have to click on the create from scratch. And after clicking on this, we have to upload our own image. So let's click on the got it. So as you can see, it has an option for the upload. So we have to click on the upload. Let's click on the upload. And now we have to click on the browse, and after clicking on the browse, we have to go to the download section, and I'm going to choose this image. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it will take few seconds in uploading your image. And after uploading your image, you can select this and you can convert this image to a video. So as you can see, now the image is uploaded. If you want to select this image, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this image and it will be selected. So as you can see, it's detecting the face. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, now the image is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to write the dialogues here. For example, hey. So as you can see, we have to write the sentence like this. And after that, what we have to do, if you want to see the preview voice, you can also preview the voice. Now you have to click on the export and animation. And after that, your video will be exported. You have to provide the name here. I'm going to provide the random name. And then you have to click on the export video and the video will be exported. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can convert an image from the video. So see you guys in the next video.